Demystifying coordinating conjunctions. Don't confuse them. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of conjunctions, those small but mighty parts of speech that tie our sentences together. We'll be zooming in on coordinating conjunctions and, more importantly, common mistakes when using them. So, let's get started. Conjunctions are used to connect words, phrases, and clauses. They help us create more complex, fluid sentences. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. However, our focus today is coordinating conjunctions. They are easy to remember using the acronym FANBOYS. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Sometimes, coordinating conjunctions can be confused with other conjunction types. That's where things get tricky. Let's clarify these differences. 1. Coordinating conjunctions join two independent clauses of equal weight. For example, I love reading, but I hate doing it in the dark. 2. Subordinating conjunctions, like although, because, and while, introduce a dependent clause. For example, although I love reading, I hate doing it in the dark. 3. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to join phrases or words that carry equal weight. Examples include either, or, neither, nor. For instance, I either read in the morning or at night. Mistake 1. Confusing coordinating conjunctions with subordinating or correlative ones. As seen in Section 2, the way these different conjunctions function in a sentence can vary greatly. Solution. Always remember the role each conjunction type plays in a sentence. Coordinating conjunctions join independent clauses, while subordinating ones introduce dependent clauses, and correlative conjunctions work in pairs. Mistake 2. Using a comma with a coordinating conjunction when it's not necessary. This often happens when the conjunction is joining two items of a list or two simple subjects or predicates. Solution. Only use a comma before a coordinating conjunction when you're joining two independent clauses. Mistake 3. Joining unrelated sentences using a coordinating conjunction. This can result in a sentence that doesn't make sense. Solution. Make sure that the clauses you're joining are logically connected. And that's a wrap on our lesson about coordinating conjunctions. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep writing, keep experimenting with different sentences, and keep making mistakes. They're an essential part of the learning process. We hope this video has shed some light on how to effectively use coordinating conjunctions and how to avoid common errors associated with them. Until next time, happy language learning!